GeoGebra, Central and Inscribed Angle Property. Step 1. Go to www.geogebra.org. Step 2. Click on Geometry on the top right. First click on this icon, then click on the heading Geometry. Step 3. Under Basic Tools, click on Circle with Center. When you create your circle and let go of the mouse, another point will form on the circle. That will be point B. Step 4. Under Basic Tools, click on Point. Step 5. Add 2 points on the circle. We already have our point B, so make another point, and this will be called point C. Step 6, add a third point on the circle, which will be called point D. Step 7, under Basic Tools, click on Segment. Step 8, add a segment from point B to D and from point C to D. This will be the inscribed angle subtended by the arc BC. Step 9, add a fourth point, which will be called point E. Click on point first, click anywhere on the circle, and this will be point E. Step 10, add a segment from point B to E and from point C to E. Click on segment first, then click on B, B to E, and then C to E. This will also be the inscribed angle subtended by the arc BC. Step 11, under Measure, click on Angle. Step 12, click on point B, then D, and then C. This will give you the measure of the inscribed angle. In my example, that measure will be 38.4 degrees. Step 13, click on point B, then on point E, and then on point C. This will give you the measure of the other inscribed angle, which is also going to be 38.4 degrees in my example. The inscribed angles will be exactly the same if subtended by the same arc, and the same arc would be BC. Step 14. Now add a segment from point B to A, and point A is the center. And from point C to point A. This will be the central angle subtended by the arc BC. Step 15, under Measure, click on Angle. Click on point B, then point A, and then point C. And this will give you the measure of the central angle. In my example, that'll be 76.8. The central angle will be exactly twice the size of either inscribed angle as long as the central angle is subtended by the same arc as the inscribed angles, which it is. So my inscribed